Hey there guys! Today I have a video that is very exciting for me because I am a candle addict. So today I want to share with you some new summer scents that I got for my home. But before I do that, I thought I'd quickly mention the candles that I've used up during winter. So you can see that, I don't only haul those candles, but I also burn them quite regularly. So let's get into the candles I've used up first, and then I'll show you all the new stuff. The candle I used up most recently, and I'm really proud of that, is this Bath & Body Works candle. This is warm vanilla sugar, and these are pretty huge. Like, this is 400 grams, I believe. Does it say anywhere? Yeah, this is 411 grams, so it takes a while for me, to use these up, which is great because they're also expensive where I live because I can't get them, from the store when there's any discounts or stuff like that. So I've used this one up completely and I'm really happy about that. This is a scent that is quite subtle. I had warm vanilla sugar as a little wall plug-in as well. I think Wallflower is what it's called, and I like that one better than the actual candle, but it has that vanilla scent. It just has a little bit of a hint of something, I don't know what it is, maybe like brown sugar or something like that. But yeah, I did like this, but I didn't love it, so I don't think that I will get this one again soon, but maybe one day. Next up, I have two of these Yankee candles. These are the minis. This is like 104 grams of candle. I have got Summer Scoop, which I got last year, and then also Rainbow Cookie. And these were both very sweet summery scents. Now, Summer Scoop is supposed to feel like ice cream, but in a berry kind of way. So I can't even open these. And I did kind of like it. I think it smells better when it's burning than when you smell it, in the tub. But I didn't love it, so I would not get this one again necessarily, but it was fun to try like the mini version of that. Now, Rainbow Cookie is a very, very sweet scent, but I did like it a little bit more. I think I wouldn't get this one again as well. I don't know why, but Yankee Candle just usually doesn't deliver for me. So this was fun to try, but even though I liked it a little bit more than Summer Scoop, I don't think that I will repurchase this in a bigger form. Also, I don't know whether these were limited edition, so well, maybe I can't even buy them anymore. So sticking to Yankee Candle, I used up this sampler of Autumn Night. This is one of the scents I do like quite a bit. So this is like a musky kind of spiced scent. I really, really like this and I would repurchase this, but it's not autumn right now, but I really, really do like Autumn Night. I think this is a great candle. And then lastly, from Yankee Candle, I used up one of these little plug-ins, and this I believe was Cinnamon Stick, and I did like this, but I didn't love it. With these kind of plug-ins, I do love Pink Sands the best. I think it's the best one they do, but this one was okay. Next up, I have two candles from Country Candle, and it's these little thingies right here. I think this is about 40 grams. Yeah, 42 grams of candle. So I got 'Twas the Night, which is a wintry Christmas scent. This one is really, really nice. I do really like this a lot. It kind of reminds me of a man's shower gel, but during Christmas. It has that kind of nighttime, more musky scent, but also it's a little bit sweet and it's a little bit spicy. So basically it smells like Santa Claus, I would say. I don't know, I really, really do like this. I'm horrible at describing scents, but this one was a good one. The other one I got is the Cozy Cabin, and this one I used up more recently now, and this has a very, like a heavy scent. It has some sort of like vanilla or something in it, but then it is also, it smells of spices and stuff like that. So this is definitely more of a winter scent, and yeah, I did not like this as much as I did like the other one, the 'Twas the Night one. So I think these are pretty fun. I do like that they're quite small, but when you burn them, you can definitely smell them. And you don't have to use them for like days and days and days, but it's still, very a very good scent, you know, it spreads really well and stuff like that. So I do like these country candle thingies, and I can tell you I got more of these, so stay tuned for that. Now I have two random candles I got as gifts. I have one from Party Light. This is one my mom gave me, and this is spiced pumpkin. This one was really nice. When you smell it in here, it smells like a Bath & Body Works fall candle basically. So it has this very nice spiced pumpkin scent, as you would imagine. Yeah, just as you would imagine. But burning it, it definitely did not smell as much as like a Bath & Body Works candle. I still like this a whole ton, and as you can see, I went through a whole lot of this quite quickly. And then I have this, which is also a pumpkin spice candle. This is from a store that is called Depot. I don't know if this is anywhere else, but this one wasn't as good. It also didn't burn that well. There's still a lot left on the edges, but I got it as a gift and it was quite nice. So I went through this one quite quickly as well, because I don't know, it doesn't say how much it is in here, but I guess it's not that much, so it burned quite quickly. Last thing I quickly wanted to mention is this little sample. This is, I don't know what the brand of this is, I must confess. It says Milano Mountain, and this is a little spray, like a room spray. And this was so good. I really wanted to mention this. I had this in my bathroom, you know, to spray when something smells a little bit funky in there. And this was really, really good. I really like this, and I think about getting a full size of this. So I have to find out which store I got this from. But it was really nice. As I said, it says Milano Mountain. And this was 2 ml and it lasted me for a little while, but not too long. Also, right now I'm burning mango peach salsa in the 100 grams jar. And I think this one will probably be finished today as well. Okay, so these were all the empties I wanted to talk about, so let's get into the new stuff. Okay, so I've got my box right here. It is way too big for what I thought I ordered, so this might be a bit of a surprise now. Okay, there's a lot of paper on top, so that's a relief. Okay, first of all, I got 3 of these mini things I just mentioned. These are, oh no, they're a different brand. Interesting. So these are by Goose Creek Candle, and they're called Fireflies. And I got 3. I got peanut butter sugar, I got watermelon patch, and I got banana pudding. Okay, so let's do a quick sniff test before we get to the bigger candles I got. So let's start with peanut butter sugar. Ooh, I do like this a lot. This smells really nice. It's definitely a buttery scent. I don't pick up too much of the peanuts right away. More like a vanilla butter scent. Ooh, I can't wait to burn this. This is probably really nice. Then watermelon patch. This one I'm really interested in. Oh yeah, it smells like pure watermelon. Oh, this is real good. I hope it smells that way when I burn it, but I'll definitely keep this for like real summertime because, you know, right now we're still into spring. And yeah, the last one is banana pudding. So I don't really know what that would smell like. Okay, this video is a mess. My doorbell rings like every time I start filming. Okay, we were talking about banana pudding, so let's see. This is interesting. I think I would say this smells like banana bread, but in a good way. It's not overpowering right now, so I think this will be good. This will be very interesting, like banana scented candles. Interesting. Okay, let's get into the big ones. Okay, weird. This looks really weird. I didn't think that it would be flat like that. That's interesting. Okay, so I got myself a Colonial candle. So yeah, this is a different brand. I don't think I've tried this one, did I? Is that? No. This is a brand I have not tried before. I had to check. And there's tape over it. Why do they do this to me? This is so weird. Okay, so this is 200 grams. Okay. So without burning it, it doesn't smell too much. But I do like it. It definitely smells like a mixture of a wood scent and a citrus scent. But it's very subtle. I'm interested to see how that burns, you know, if the scent intensifies while burning it. And it's not the kind of citrus scent that you would associate with like a bathroom or anything like that. I do like this. It definitely smells like sophisticated, I would say. I got another one of these, and for some reason this one is not taped. But I got this from my mom, and this is Cranberry Cosmo. Okay, this one does smell more like a bathroom, which is kind of sad. It basically smells like a cranberry plug for your toilet. You know, the little things you put into your toilet so they smell nicer. This is kind of what this smells like. This is disappointing, I must say. So yeah, sorry for my mom, but she's still gonna get this. Yes, yes, yes. Whew. So I got myself another woodwick candle because those are amazing. And I got Island Getaway. And this is one of the trilogy candles. So you have 3 different scents and the wick is made of wood. And they crackle a little bit when you burn them. And so this is 3 cents, but I don't think I can see that on here. Of course it doesn't say, it would be way too easy. But it smells heavenly. It smells sweet and fresh like a cocktail, just like a cocktail. I want to burn this so badly. Okay, this is the perfect summer candle. Like, if you like kind of this cocktail scent, definitely try this. This is a company that belongs to Yankee Candle, but I think they're just so much better. They are also a little bit more expensive, but I think they're well worth the price. So that would be all for this video. I'm sorry it was such a hot mess. I really didn't plan for it to go that way. But, you know, I'm a little bit restricted with my time for filming and stuff, so this will have to do. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, leave a like or a nice comment. I always appreciate those. Let me know what your favorite candle brands and also candle scents are. And if you subscribe, I will talk to you soon. Bye!